Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Caden. Today we will be learning how to draw and code a square in Sphero. Let's jump right into it and make our program. I'm just going to call mine square. Make sure that you've got blocks selected in your program type, and whichever Sphero you own here, I own the Sphero, so I'll be using that one. Okay, we're just going to start the program now. So we're going to add a roll at 0 degrees to make it go straight forward. I'm going to say for mine at 15. I wouldn't recommend for speed going anything above 75, and even that is quite fast. I'm going to tell it to do that for 2 seconds, and then I'm going to put in a delay for 1 second. This program is quite simple as it's quite repetitive, except just for a slight degree change, and this time it is going to be so that it points at 90 degrees. So now it's turning to the right. Make sure if you want a square to set speed and time that it does it for to the same each time, to allow the Sphero to move constantly at the certain distance that you want it to. Just going to add in another delay. Going to put it around another 90 degrees now. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss anything. Just going to set our speed here to 15 and our duration to 2. Okay, just going to put in our last delay for 1 second, and then movement, roll. This time it's going to be 270. This is a very easy thing to do in Sphero. It's one of the basics that you need to learn before moving on to anything else, really. And it's really fun. You can make lots of different shapes with it as well. But this here is the code for a square. Now, you can also go into controls and you can loop all of this for a certain amount of times that you can add into here by typing it in. Or you can loop forever, which is also a good one if you just wanted to constantly go around in a square. Oh, I'll need to take that out. There we go. You could obviously make lots of different games for this. If you had multiple Spheros, then you can make them race around a track. You could create a track at home for them to race around. It's a really good way to code a Sphero, this. Okay, so we're now just going to go and hit another create, but this time we're going to select draw, and I'm just going to make mine square 2. Again, I've selected my Sphero, just going to hit create. Okay, so you'll be granted with this grid here. You can change the colour of your Sphero's light depending on where it is and the speed that it goes at. You have to set a speed. I'm just going to put mine down here, don't want it to go too fast, and I'll just leave my colour as blue. You have your undo and redo buttons down here. I'm just going to simply follow down here with the square. Doesn't have to be perfect. make sure that you're always like following around, because you can obviously, like, your Sphero can't teleport from place to place. So don't, for example, tell it to go here and then tell it to jump from here and then go back across to here, because that's not going to work effectively. You can also, in the draw menu, you can also make multiple different shapes. So for example, a star that you can make. Plenty of different shapes that I've tried out myself. You can also, as I said earlier, you can make an oval shape, make it a racetrack. That's quite simple too. It's really a good tool to use if you're not that good at being the coding side of it, or if you want a circular shape for your Sphero to go in. That's also a good idea. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Another thing I just want to cover just before you leave is when you go into create, you can also, so obviously I can't do this because I'm just on the laptop, but I will show you just now on my iPad. It shows here that when you go into the aim or when you go into the drive menu, it allows you to connect a robot. Spheros are very good for connecting, they're very easy. I just wanted to quickly cover that just to let you all know how to do that. Again, if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss anything. If you really enjoyed today's video, please comment down below what you want to see next. If it's Sphero or if it's Scratch, I will be posting another Scratch video. I think I'm going to do Flappy Bird. If you're looking forward to that, turn on notifications and it'll let you never miss a video. With that, hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.